Hi, this is Bill Bilkey. I'm at the IDEAcon 2023 in Schaumburg, Illinois. We're showing off multiple things here. This is the BenQ RP7503 interactive flat panel. A few features about it would be it's got Android 11. It's got the fastest processor on the market. We're the number 6 brand in the United States, number 5 in the world. The whole panel, the screen has a non-toxic ionic silver coating, so it's all antibacterial. These buttons are antibacterial. The remote, the pens are all antibacterial. We've got mics in here so you can record lessons and post them on the Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, a local drive, network drive. You take these NFC cards and you swipe them, and you can go to any classroom in the district and your data will follow you, along with signing into the drives that I just mentioned. We have cloud whiteboarding. We have tools here, the math tools, and then you can pull up a camera and flip it. And of course that didn't work. All right, and Kathy, why don't you show a couple things here? Kathy is one of our trainers.
Okay, what I'd like to do is show how easy it is to add one of our really fun features, very unique to us, and it is called Team Post. You can have 3 different teams, students coming up to the board. Again, the idea behind interactive technology is to have the students be able to interact and have more engaged learning. So one of the things we would do here is, just as an example, I'm going to put really an easy one. I'm just going to say 1 + 1 equals. Then we can paste that to all, and then each of the students will just grab a pen, and if they're writing their answer, it won't go into the other student's area. So 1 + 1 equals 2, and then over here, same idea, and it would not go into the other student's area. You can save that by minimizing it. You can continue on with your lesson. What I had up here a few moments ago just showed some of the things you can do. You can bring in YouTube videos in 3 different ways, but one of them that we prefer is to bring it in where the YouTube will fill the screen and you won't get any of the additional side YouTubes as a distractor. I would bring it up right now, except that the internet is a little bit slow here and we'd be waiting and it would be going around. In addition, we have, you can create anything or link to an image. And so here I'm going to bring in, what I'll do is I'll add another page, bring in an image. I'm going to go to my USB drive, okay, and from there I might have this gentleman right here. He's got some questions, okay. I can then link, and perhaps I might have the answer there, and I can type in using the on-screen keyboard. Okay, let's see, but for the moment we're just going to leave that as it is. Let's see what else we might like to do. If you've got a PowerPoint presentation, you can just, again, quickly go to your linked Google Drive or your network drive, whether it be Microsoft or OneDrive, anything like that. Pull in your lesson materials. You can then write on the lesson materials. Teachers have access to their own bookmarks within the system, and so they can go to, let's say they want to go to Kahoot, do a little bit of assessment, and then come back into the lesson after they determine how the kids are performing. So that's just a few of the things that we can do in Easy Write software, and I'm going to leave it back to Bill.
And the other thing for BenQ is we've got the great back-end system. You can bind all the panels, and that's how you can go to any classroom and have your data follow you. We do signage, broadcast X sign, where we can send messages to every panel, a lunch menu, daily principals announcements, weather warnings, that type of thing. And it's easy. We can integrate with Active Directory or Microsoft Azure to set up all the teachers, and then you can refresh it as teachers come and go. And we've got little things like QR codes on the side. When you bind them, you don't even have to turn it on. So anything to improve the time of setup. So go to benq.com/US or education, you'll find us.